In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove a Google account from your Android device. Whether you're switching accounts or just want to declutter, it's a simple process, so let's get started. First, unlock your Android device and open the Settings app. You can find it in your app drawer or by swiping down on the notification panel and tapping on the gear icon. Scroll down and look for the Accounts or User and Accounts option. Tap on it. You'll see a list of all the accounts linked to your device. Find and select the Google account you want to remove. After selecting the account, tap on the three dots in the top right corner. You should see the Remove Account option. A prompt will appear asking you to confirm the removal. Read the information and if you're sure, tap Remove Account again to confirm. Your Google account will now be removed from your device. You won't lose any data stored in the cloud, but make sure you've backed off anything important. And that's it. You've successfully removed a Google account from your Android device.